People, you see, there is this man they call Joe Igbokwe. Is the man I want to talk about. Each time this man speaks, he speaks from his anus. I wouldn't call him a pure Igbo man. I don't see him as an Igbo man 100%. You see, every time he talks, he doesn't talk like a real Igbo man. And I don't like him. I want to be very honest with you. I don't like him. Do you get the point? You will see how Yoruba media is always, every time he speaks, they air the news and whatever he says, they put it out there for you to listen because he's talking to their favor. He's talking what they like. That's what they want to hear from every Igbo man. But every Igbo man cannot be like Joe Igbokwe. He's a sellout. I want him to listen to these few things I have to say. Go to the north today. We have about 6 terrorist groups. 6 terrorist groups. Conk one, serious ones. And they are all known even by the world, the whole world. They know them. You understand? Boko Haram and Sarudin. Call them a swap. They are about 6, if not more. The whole north supports them. All the politicians from the north supports them. They have one mission, only one mission. Their mission is to Islamize Nigeria. And their mission is to invade other tribes, other ethnicity, kill them and take over their ancestral lands. That is all their mission. And being a Muslim, every Muslim in the north supports that idea of converting people forcefully. That is their mission. Have you ever seen, since they've been killing people in scores, in numbers, 300, 400, 200, have you heard any governor from Kaduna State, Sokoto, Sultan of Sokoto, Bauchi, Borno, anyone, Plateau State, Taraba State, Jigawa State, have you heard any of them, core politicians, their elites, have you heard any of them say that this we should not allow and this we must reject? Tell me one person that have made such comment. None till today. Trump came and saw what is going on, that Christians are being killed in scores, and he want to intervene. You see, everybody started jittering. They became afraid. They now aligned it that it was IPOB, the Igbos, that went to Trump. You see, did you listen to every of their comment? You see how it is going. They supported it. All of them. People are dying, they don't care. Children, pregnant women, elderly people, they kill them in numbers. Nobody cares. They are happy with it because they have that singular mission of invasion and Islamization. That is their aim. Come to the east, the whole east plus south, because there is nothing like south. All of them are east. They are all east. Joe Igbokwe saw IPOB, only IPOB as a problem. He saw Mazin Nnamdi Kanu as a problem. He does not see what is happening in Nigeria, as old as he is. Every Igbo man, as much as I know, and as far as I'm concerned, what any Igbo man wants is equity, justice, and fair play. It is not in Nigeria. It doesn't happen in Nigeria. Igbos are marginalized, they are disconnected, they are displaced, they are marginalized in every area you can think about it. Even in their own field, which is business, trading, they are being marginalized. Do you understand? Go to check about the custom controller general. They seize all the Igbo products coming from outside on a daily basis because they don't do business like the Igbos do. Joe Igbokwe does not see all these things. Peter Obi won election 2023. Nothing happened. Joe Igbokwe does not see it as something wrong, that the judiciary in Nigeria does not work. They are not working. They are highly corrupt. The whole Nigeria is like a scam. It's like a mafia group. They decide who will rule, not by election. Of course, election doesn't take place in Nigeria. It takes place, but it doesn't count. Joe Igbokwe traveled from Lagos to his hometown. He does not care about that federal road that is dilapidated for more than 40 years. The same type of road. It doesn't touch Joe Igbokwe. It doesn't touch Joe Igbokwe that no Igbo man has become president since 1960. Let's say since 1960. It doesn't affect Joe Igbokwe. Joe Igbokwe does not see a grand plan between some groups, some ethnic groups. Let me say the North and the Yorubas, the West. Joe Igbokwe does not see something like that. So there is no Igbo man who is capable of ruling Nigeria. Joe Igbokwe does not see anything wrong with that. All he keeps talking every day is nonsense. IPOB has a simple mission. IPOB told the federal government of Nigeria, if they want to be fair and if they want to practice equity and justice, do bridges, do this, do that, do this. Federal government, because of their plans, they refuse to do it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asked them, and he made a request that this is what can stop Biafra. Did they do it? Excuse me. They never did it. They don't care about you. Joe Igbokwe does not see all these things. All he keep talking because his house got burnt. They burned his house. Hoodlums put fire on his house. Since that time, he refused to accept his people. Instead, he talks down on his people. He made a silly comment that IPOB has reduced Igbos to zero and it has converted a common Igbo brain to sawdust. That was the stupid comment that foolish man I hate so much made. But his comment, it doesn't move anybody. If at his age, can he not rule Nigeria? Go and become a flag bearer of APC. Go closer. You will see how they will rubbish you. They will rubbish you. Then you wake up. In the likes of Forjus Okano, the likes of Dave Umaya, these are the guys that do not believe on their people. Do you get the point? And they are the problem because they are sabos. They are saboteurs. Stomach infrastructures. That is what is disturbing them. You cannot come to my land. You take my resources. Nigeria since 1960 is being fed by crude oil and is coming from Biafran land. Till today, what they do is to steal the oil or take the oil, whichever way they take it. They go to sell it and they share the money. Joe Igbokwe does not see it. He doesn't see it at all. All he's talking about is IPOB. We are talking about IPOB. There is no federal presence in the whole of Igbo land. It doesn't touch it. It doesn't touch you. Yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that people should boycott 2019 election. Did he lie? Election does not count. If he does, why did P2B won and they snatch it from him? Can you give me one reason? You cannot, Joe Igbokwe. Do you know why I hate you? Because you are not, your brain is not working. Your brain is not working. You understand? For those that are following me, if you want to follow me because of the way I talk, follow me. If you don't want to follow me, bounce. I'm not interested. I'm not here to matchmake to make money. This place doesn't feed me. I'm an angry Igbo man that knows the truth from Nigeria. And Nigeria will not work. It will not work. If things are not put aright, Nigeria will not work. Joe Igbokwe, you can keep talk your trash, talk your nonsense from now till thy kingdom come. Nothing will happen. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is 100%. Of course, you can see it that the Fulanis are coming to kill you, to take over your land. That is their grand plan. If you don't get it up to this moment, then you are sleeping. I don't know what has happened to you. But that is just the reality. It's just the reality. You keep talking trash and Yoruba media keep projecting you. And that is their problem. For a real Igbo man, you cannot change our mind. Our mindset is already positioned. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never misled anyone at all. He made us to understand that we deserve the best. And that is what we deserve. You understand? For you, you live in Yoruba land and you feel that it's better for you. And you feel that your village is good like that. We don't see it to be good. We want to see port in our place. We want all the railway working, not governors that will do it because it is an international. It has to be international. It has to be done by federal government. It's part of the infrastructures that develop the country. If they cannot fix it, nothing is going to work. Take it or you leave it. I'm out of here, my friend.